Hi, if you are new here, welcome to Best Kitchen Guide. In this channel, we aim to inform you about the latest and greatest tools that are used in kitchen and cooking. If a product passes our rigorous testing, only then it gets recommended by us so that our viewers don't have to face any buyer's remorse. Our evaluating process includes extensive testing, features, and prices. So if you pick the items featured in this video, you can be well assured that you are buying the best product possible. Please check the description below for our featured top 5 product links from Amazon for updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get started.
Our number one choice for top 5 best slow cooker is KitchenAid Slow Cooker. This slow cooker is built for perfect cooking and easy serving, with a glass lid that opens on hinges on either side of the handle, making it ideal for buffet serving while keeping food warm and covered. The oval-shaped 6-quart cooking insert fits foods like whole chickens or roasts and is removable for serving and easy cleanup. Unlike other cookers that only have high and low temperatures, this one has high, medium, and low cooking settings, as well as a keep warm setting. It can be set to cook for up to 24 hours in 30-minute increments for unattended cooking. If you are not present when the cooking timer expires, it automatically switches to keep warm mode for 4 hours. The digital display, which is easy to read, shows how much cooking time is left as well as the temperature setting. The cord is stored at the bottom of the cooker. If you don't need to use your slow cooker on a buffet, a similar model with a solid glass lid is available. Number 2 in our side is Hamilton Beach 6-quart Slow Cooker. This slow cooker checks all of your wish list boxes. It can be programmed or operated manually. A temperature probe is included to check the temperature of your food as it cooks. It's also the right size for most uses, at 6 quarts. The cooker shifts to a warming mode once the cooking time or temperature has been met. This type has solid handles and a gasket on the lid to prevent spills for anyone who has to travel with their slow cooker. You may even take it to a potluck or a family supper because the lid is secure. A spoon that hooks onto the unit for serving keeps it from becoming lost in transit. If you live in a region where power outages are common, you'll appreciate the fact that this model will continue to cook or keep your meal warm until you get home. Place the temperature probe into large cuts of meat to cook to a precise temperature. The control panel will display the food's exact temperature as it cooks. The lid clips securely in place, perfect for taking the slow cooker to a party, potluck or tailgate. The tight seal helps prevent messy spills along the way. Let's watch more.
Hi, I'm Kara for Hamilton Beach, and this is the new Set and Forget programmable slow cooker. It's the perfect slow cooker for taking to picnics, potlucks, and parties because the clip-tight gasket lid reduces messy spills. This spacious 6-quart slow cooker can handle a 4-pound roast or a 6-pound chicken. You have 3 easy choices for cooking: program, probe, and manual. Operating is simple. Just add the ingredients, cover, set the time and temperature, and forget it until you're ready to eat. For heavier roasts, use the thermometer probe that displays the actual temperature of the meat as it cooks. Just set the probe to the desired meat temperature, and when that temperature is reached, it automatically switches to keep warm, so it'll be fresh, hot, and ready to eat when you are. The full grip handles make carrying heavy meals easy. Now that's good thinking.
Third in our best slow cooker list is Hamilton Beach 10-quart Slow Cooker. The Hamilton Beach 10-quart Slow Cooker's extra large capacity is perfect for everything from game day chili to your holiday pot roast. The oval-shaped stoneware crock can fit up to a 10 lb. turkey or 12 lb. roast. This slow cooker features low and high cook settings in a warm setting, ideal for buffets or when dinner ends up later than you planned. Full grip handles make it easy to carry, and both the stoneware and glass lid is dishwasher safe. This cooker offers a low or high heat setting, as well as a warm option to keep food at serving temperature once it's finished cooking. The lid seals well and has clips to keep it in place, allowing the cooker to travel to parties and potlucks without worrying about messy spills in the car. The large side handles provide a secure grip, making it easy to transport to the table or on the go. When the cooking is finished, the removable crock and glass lid are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. For details, let's watch more. Our fourth pick is Cuisinart MSC 800 Multi-Cooker. With the Cuisinart Cook Central, you can do it all without firing up the stovetop. Brown ingredients in the Cook Central and then roast or slow cook with one button for effortless one-pot combination cooking. Presets, time, and temperature controls make it simple to slow cook, roast, brown or sauté, or steam alone, or in combination. The Cook Central makes dinner time easy and programmed ahead of time so your meal is done exactly when you want it, with the Keep Warm feature making sure heavy commuter traffic doesn't mean your meal will be cold. The cast aluminum pot is also removable and non-stick for easy cleanup, no matter how slowly you roast sticky pulled pork. The inner cooking pot is removable and has a non-stick coating, which prevents food from sticking and makes cleaning simple. When finished cooking, the pot and lid are dishwasher safe, and when it's time to store the cooker, the retractable cord folds out of the way for neat storage. Last in this list is Instant Pot Electric Pressure Cooker. Slow cookers are wonderful kitchen tools, but speeding up the cooking process may be very beneficial as well. This Instant Pot is capable of both, as well as a lot more. It can cook at just the appropriate temperature for any recipe, keep food properly warm for serving, and maintain stable heat within plus or minus 1.8 degrees, allowing it to be used for sous vide cooking as well. It can maintain a sustained 15 psi, similar to stovetop pressure cookers, therefore it cooks faster than other electric pressure cookers and may also be used for home canning. This device features a large, intuitive touchscreen for easy operation of all functions, as well as a simple dial for selecting options. This cooker can do everything, from sautéing and preparing rice or yogurt to slow cooking stews. The interior cooking pot is stainless steel and dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze once the meal is finished. NutriBoost technology works by creating a boiling motion during pressure cook to break down food, adding nutrition, flavor, and taste to soups and bone broth. Altitude adjustment eliminates the guesswork from your recipe conversion to provide a more precise cooking time. For details, let's watch more.